Good morning. Happy Monday. Today is multiples of 8, and it's great to be 8 because most of you in this class are 8. So, pretty cool that we get to do your number today. Well, with no further ado, here we go with all the stuffed animals showing you about multiples of 8. Hi guys, it's Mrs. Ferreira and Hedgie, Mrs. Hedgie, Rainbow Dog, Mr. Hedgie, Bobblehead Spider-Man, Big Spider-Man, Little Zebra, Big Zebra, and Wonder Woman Alarm Clock. And they're all together to have a little party today to celebrate the factors of 8. So let's see how many friends we have. We'll start with Wonder Woman Alarm Clock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, cool. This is a lesson on the factors of 8, and we have 8 friends that are all together to have a little party. So we're going to pass out M&Ms and talk about factors of 8. Right now, each one of our friends has 0 M&Ms. 0 times 8 is, oh, that's right. Anything times 0 is 0. They have 0 M&Ms. Look in front of them. Nothing. Let's see what we can do to fix it. Okay, so now Rainbow Dog has an M&M, Hedgie has an M&M, Bobblehead Spider-Man, Little Zebra, Big Zebra, Wonder Woman Clock, and Mrs. Hedgie all have 1 M&M. 8 friends times each having 1 M&M. 8 times 1 equals, let's count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, that's right, because anything times 1 equals the other number. So the first factor of 8 is 8. Of course, Bobblehead Spider-Man had to complain, saying that 1 M&M was not enough. So I had to give everyone 2 because I wanted to be fair. So now all 8 friends have 2 M&Ms in front of them. So let's count by 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. 8 times 2 is 16. Oh, so far the factors of 8 are 0, 8, then 16. Now Wonder Woman Alarm Clock was saying she had such a busy day that she needed 3 M&Ms because 2 wasn't enough. So I had to make it fair, so I gave all 8 of my friends 3 M&Ms. Now we're going to count by 3s. Remember the claw? And we can count our fingers by 3, 1, 2, 3 pieces. Let's count by 3, because you should be able to count by 3 if you've been practicing. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24. 8 times 3, 8 friends, each with 3 M&Ms, equals 24 M&Ms altogether. So the factors of 8 so far are 0, 8, 16, 24. Believe it, because Hedgie never complains about anything, but of course he's complaining that he's so hungry, so I had to make it fair, so I gave all of my friends 4 M&Ms. So 8 times 4 is, let's see, we got to count by 4s. We'll start with Hedgie since he was the complainer. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32. 0, 8, 16, 24, 32. 8 times 4 equals 32. Well, this won't come as a surprise to you because Big Zebra says he's big and he cannot survive off of 4 measly, teeny tiny little M&Ms. So I had to give everyone 5. So now all 8 of our friends have 5 M&Ms. We know how to count by 5. This should be nice and easy. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. 8 friends, each having 5 M&Ms. 8 times 5 equals 40. So let's start at the beginning. 0, 8, 16, 24, 32, 40. Let me make sure I did that right. 0, 8, 8 times 1 is 8, 16, 24, 32, 40. Great. Okay. Now Little Zebra's complaining. She says, I forgot to put hers in 2 rows of 3, an array of 3 times 2. each of our friends, I forgot to put zebras in an array too. Oh my goodness, Mrs. Farah. She is making mistakes. Okay, so now each friend has 2 rows of 3 or 6 M&Ms each. So if we count by 6s, and this we've been practicing for 2 weeks. So we gotta start with little zebra. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48. So 8 friends times each having 6 M&Ms equals 48. So 0, 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, and then one more would be 48. I was feeling a little generous, so I gave now everyone 7. 7 times 8. Let's count by 7s. We've been practicing this the last couple weeks too. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56. So 8 groups of 7 equals 56. So 8 times 7 is 56. I gave everyone one more, so now all of our friends, all 8 of our friends have 8. And here is my very favorite expression in multiplication. 8 times 8 is 64. Close your mouth and say no more. That means no more complaining, Zebra, Wonder Woman, Mrs. Hedgie, Rainbow Dog, Mr. Hedgie, Bobblehead Spider-Man, Spider-Man, and Little Zebra. 8 times 8 is 64. Close your mouth and say no more. Okay, now I feel guilty because that was kind of mean. 8 times 8 is 64. Close your mouth and say no more. So I gave everyone one more, and now all 8 of our friends have 9 M&Ms. So 8 times 9 is 72. We count by 8s. We start with 0, 8, 16, 24, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, and then the next one is, 64 and 72. 8 times 9 is 72. We're at the final number. All 8 of our friends have 10 M&Ms in front of them. 8 times 10, well, we know how to count by 10s. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. 8 times 10 is 80. So I'm going to have you guys, next you're going to see a slide where it has our factors of 8. Post them on your wall and at your house. Take a picture of it and send it to me so that we can start practicing our 8s. Everywhere we go, keep practicing your 6s, 7s, and 8s so you remember your factors by heart. We'll start again. 0, 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80. So I'll write it on a piece of paper, and then you pause the video, you write it on a piece of paper, and take a picture of it, send it to me, and let's get practicing and memorizing factors of 8 so you're ready for 3rd grade. And also, the person making the noise in all those videos is this guy, who's very sleepy now that I'm filming him, but before he's kind of been a little bit of a stinker. He wanted to come to the M&M party, but I said, you can't have M&Ms. Cats can't have chocolate. He's kind of grouchy, as you can tell. Right, Winnie? So here they are, and here's your task today. Take a piece of paper, whatever paper you can find, write down the factors of 8, 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80. Hang it on your mirror like this. Factors of 8 is great. Hang it on your door. Hang it on your refrigerator, wherever seems best. Take a picture of it, send it to me, and I'll give you a point on the point sheet. See you at 1 o'clock for Zoom. Love you. Miss you. Bye.